3 days before payday. Somehow, these are always the longest days. Every meal becomes a calculation. Every ingredient suddenly matters. There wasn't much, but sometimes that's enough, because some of the best meals don't begin with abundance. They begin with necessity. Funny how payday changes the way we cook. At the beginning of the month, we buy ingredients with excitement. Near the end, we become resourceful. Maybe being resourceful isn't about being broke. Maybe it's a skill. Learning how to create something beautiful from almost nothing. Now this would make Uncle Roger proud. Three days before payday, almost an empty fridge. Yet somehow, we still made something worth sharing. Maybe life is a lot like fried rice. It isn't about having the most, it's about making the most of what you have. 3 days before payday. This is what was left. This is what we made. And honestly, it might be one of our most favorite meals yet.